Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're playing Dog Simulator, the Dog Story, and looks like I made a dog. Okay, let's read what it says on top. This is your lobby. Enter a doghouse to join a game. I want to play alone. So let's go to, this game. Yeah, this game, and this one. Let's hide. What? Receive notification from dog. No, cancel. What else? Starting at 45, 54, 53, 52, 51. Okay, while I wait here, did you guys ever play this game? I sure didn't. It was my first time. Like you see, I'm pretty confused. And do you like me playing games on my channel? I like playing games. I am gonna play some Toka roleplays some days. I can do one soon, actually. Why not? Oh yeah. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 0. Hold on. Starting on the game. Okay. Ruff, ruff. Oh, there's gates? I'm bored. I totally am bored. I wonder if this is all there is to do to life. No. It's not. That's your answer. It's not. I want to get out. Yeah, I do. Like, can't you see me trying to get out? Ugh. Someone is coming. Yeah, I know that's horrible barking. Hello there, dogs. Little dog. It's time for your walk. Yay. Oh. I don't like this leash. Ugh. I hate this leash. Where are we going? I want to go this way. Come on. Wait, what? I want to see if I just stop. Listen up. Your owners are on holiday. I'm looking after you. Oh, come on. You're ugly, though. You may call me dog sitter. It's a dog sitter right here, sorry. Bro, look at that stand. Okay, let's go. Vamos. I don't like that. Okay, what else? Can we escape? Like, can I, go to a tree and, escape? Ugh, looks like I can't. I want to escape, though. Here we are at a dog park. Oh, yay, dog park. Whoa. So excited. Dog park. 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 Whoa. Let's play a little. No. Ugh. And wait. I call it fetch. Fetch. Touch the football. To get a prize. Ooh, I could get breath. Fetch. We win. Where did he go? Oh, it went over here. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hey, good dog, Slide Banana 356. You get Snork. Ooh, blub blub. Fetch. Ooh. Good job, Slide Banana 356. You get headphones. Woohoo. Has noise canceling. Fetch. Bro, I'm not even touching it. Good job, Slay Banana 356. You get a chippy hat. Ew. De la France. Fetch. Good job, Slay Banana. You get a goblin hat. Ew, I don't like goblins. Wait, I just need to see what time because I do have to go somewhere soon. Fetch. Good job, Slay Banana. Okay, I like headphones better. Get headphones. Okay, can we stop playing Fetch already? Have noise canceling. Sabrina is the alpha dog. Great job. I'm an alpha dog. Hey. Whoa. That's enough. For today. Time to go to head back. Ugh. Aww. Can I jump higher? Oh yeah, almost forgot. Dogs will be making slight detour. Wait, what? I have a bad feeling. Same do I. Like, what? Where are you going? No, this way, no, this way. I want to go home. This way. Should I just jump on his head? I guess I have to explain. The thing is, I'm letting a friend of mine borrow you for a bit. What? No. Your friend of yours better be nice. Yeah, sus. What? That's sus. Hey. I heard that it's not sus. He's a friend I made on cryogylist dog research or something. It will be fun. What? No. What did it say? Animal testing factory. Besides, he promised me $10. I need the money for food and game passes. Can't you see? He says. Wish I could read the sign. It says animal testing factory. Finally. No. Get me out of here. He's a scientist. Here are the dogs by you here. Is it all there? Count it. 1, 2, 3. No! 4, 3. Welcome, dogs. Dog, you mean. 4. I am the head of the dog research here. I knew it. Our mission's full understanding. No. Oh, the previous test has not finished yet. Or caution testing is a process. Let's wait a bit. So, does it ever annoy you how gaming YouTubers read out loud all digitals? ... I don't want you to! Finally, your turn. No. Please. No. Kind of a portal contest. What? No. Don't worry. I'll be monitoring from above. No, please. No. Good luck. The first test will be easy. Whoa. Press the red button, okay? Simeliter got it first. You get an American hat. Ooh. I plead the fifth. Press the green button. Easy. Simeliter got it first. A box. You get a box hat thing. Good thing it has eye holes. Yeah, it does. Press the red button, bro. It's gonna be so easy. Simeliter got it first. I get glasses. Glasses with guitars. What else? The staircase. Seems you are smart enough. Okay, test 2 is even easier. Just touch a black balls. Okay, try to find them. So then that was the fastest. Blub, 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 blub. Okay, try to find it. Sabin was the fastest. No, watermelon. I don't like watermelon. A melon house. I just so cool game. Okay, try to find it. Guys, do you think we'll ever escape from here? A jester cap? Come on. Surely you jest. That is for test 2. For the next test, I'll escort you out for a bit. Yes. No. You're not allowed to touch me. No! No! Ah! Come on, wait, what? Was it yellow and just turned green? No, it's still yellow. Okay. Is that green? I don't know. Let's admire this one. Prepare. Wait, what the? Oops, I meant pet. Haha. Oh, I didn't even read it. We can go back in now. No, please. Ooh, a barn. I actually want that barn. That's cool. Let's play. Oh, come on. Nice. Set my assistance. What will we find here? Ooh, horse. Taxes were same for you. Now, what do we do right? The horse is in here. Just try to find black balls again. What? I'm stuck. I can't find them. Oh, I can't touch them. What the? That's a scam. Okay, finally. Try to find it. Maybe in the barn, might be outside. Let's look outside first. I don't see it. You guys see it? Comment down below. I don't. Maybe on the roof. But I can't jump it high enough, so probably not. Can I jump in the windows? No. Okay. I might have to cut this short and play another day. Wait, what? Okay. Here? Oh, yes. Is that looks like a black ball. In my opinion. What else? There's not in here. Is it upstairs? Does have stairs here? Going. Looking at the window. The window. Second window. The window. Hey, why is this so hard? Help! Wait, what? Why can't I enter here? It's not a black ball anyways. What else? Let's go back downstairs. Oh, I found it. Oh my god, why did that take me so long? Same man was the fastest. You get a French hat. Merci beaucoup. I'm French, I can't read it. Try to find the next one. Okay, I'll find the next one. Okay, fine. Then I'm just going to end this video because it's been a while since I've been filming. I'm not even sure if I'm still filming. I am good. Because that'll be kind of embarrassing. Just talking to myself. Let's look in here first. Nope. Here, nope. Let's go up. Oh, here. Perfect. Fastest. You get a French hat. Well, thanks for watching. I'll end this video short. I'll end this video short. I just got stuck. Help! Okay, what else? End the video short, and I hope you guys have a great day. And if I replay this, I would definitely film it. And yeah, this is again this dog story if you ever want to play it. So yeah, I hope you guys have a bunch of fun. Bye. Mwah. Wait, bye.